and all those things they thought may happen only if they would not surrender their sovereign autonomy to any of these blocks, right? Because the blocks which would be represented either in the form of say Warsaw Pact or in the form of NATO, right? See, these two were Warsaw Pact and NATO. These two were the alliances, right? Alliances that both blocks had created for the security of their member states, right? But in the philosophy of non-alignment, a nation's security can best be achieved when it can enjoy its freedom, when it can ensure freedom to its nationals, right? When it can ensure freedom to its citizens. So that was what the whole philosophy or whole policy of non-alignment movement, right? And the greater detail and other explanations you would discuss and you would come to know under foreign policy course and the course on international relations. But in the field of international relations and international politics, this is what Nehru would suggest, and this is what would be Nehru's thinking, that freedom should be ensured, and freedom can be ensured in the best possible manner when the country maintains its sovereign right to take policy decisions in its own interest, and that would happen in the best possible manner when the country would not align itself, the country would not make itself part of any of these blocks where its sovereignty would be lost, where its real freedom would be lost, right? That's what was thinking as far as Nehru's approach to interstate relations and foreign policy would be concerned, right? As I told you, there is a kind of history how non-alignment movement develops, how other objectives like achieving disarmament and preventing nuclear proliferation and all those objectives would be all these objectives would be proposed to be part of the non-alignment movement, towards which the non-alignment countries would be expected to work, whether non-alignment is a success or whether it has turned out to be failure, or what is the relevance in the present context as far as NAM is concerned, right? NAM, right? Non-alignment movement. That's what its acronym is. That's what its short form is, right? NAM, NAM, right? So all these things, you would discuss in great detail as part of your foreign policy course or your course on international relations, right? So, but that was just to familiarize you as far as Nehru's thinking on international politics and international relations they were concerned, because he understood that freedom and sovereign rights of every nation is important, and this is what is to be respected, right? Number one. Number two, as far as international politics is concerned, international politics should be driven more by cooperation than conflict, right? By cooperation than conflict. So that's where he would be seen coming closer to the idealist thinking, but he would be pragmatic in a sense, that he would give importance to national interest, right? He would also be little practical in terms of conduct of foreign policy, because he would understand that a nation should undertake all those activities which would ensure its freedom and which would ensure its sovereign right to take decisions, right? So this is how I would put it as far as Nehru's thinking in the field of foreign policy and international relations should be concerned, right? But as I told you, we are not discussing Nehru's foreign policy approach or foreign policy choices in detail, right? Or rather, we are simply trying to understand that how possibly one can locate this aspect in Nehru's thought and Nehru's ideas. Okay, is this clear? आप लोग सुन रहे हैं? काफ़ी कम लोग बच गए हैं। हाँ, अभी तो बस 15 लोग दिख रहे हैं, बाकी सारे लोग लगता है। हाँ, बाकी सारे लोग लगता है लंच करने चले गए। हाँ हाँ ओके। हाँ ओके ओके, नॉट ए प्रॉब्लम। हाँ, तो जैसा कि हम लोगों ने देखा है, जो नेहरू को हम लोगों ने डिस्कस किया है, तो नेहरू के आइडियाज़ के साथ साथ हम लोगों ने उसका थोड़ा क्रिटिकल असेसमेंट भी करने की कोशिश की है। तो let me prepare the PPT part of it, and that I will send you across, most likely by evening, right? Most likely by evening. और मीनवाइल हमने वो भी कोशिश की है कि जो हम लोग डिस्कस कर रहे हैं उसका छोटा एक रिकॉर्डिंग बना के उसका यूट्यूब लिंक हम आपको भेज पाएँ। सो लेट्स सी। हाँ,